Dreaming of the perfect holiday tablescape? We've got fresh ideas featuring exclusive collections from Hobby Lobby. When you're decorating with timeless red and green, we suggest keeping the centerpiece simple so it doesn't distract from the vibrant color palette. Surround candles with festive greenery, and you've got a focal point that balances the overall look. If you're drawn to a more traditional holiday style, Hobby Lobby has plenty of tableware options to choose from. Here's a fun idea. Trade in your fabric table runner for a paper one. And since you can just make a new one for your next get-together, you don't have to worry about spills. We customize ours with guest place cards, but you could also write out Christmas carols or even the menu. When you're decorating for a modern farmhouse Christmas, clean lines, layered textures, and black and white patterns do the trick. Want to go big when it comes to table decor? We added dramatic flair to ours with a cascading garland. Try including decorative gingerbread accents. Their welcoming aroma will bring everyone to the holiday table. One of our favorite ways to bring a cozy vibe to the holidays is by incorporating natural elements like greenery and wooden accents. But remember, these cookies are for show, not for snacking. Swing by your local Hobby Lobby to pick up everything you need to bring your perfect Christmas table to life. For more information, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.